Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to book a flight online on Emirates. First, go and open your browser and search for Emirates, and you will get this option. Choose the first link that you will get. It will redirect you to the official site of Emirates, and here you will get this page. Now you will have to choose between if it is a return, a one-way, or multi-city. It depends on which option that you will choose. So here in my case, I will select return, for example. Now you will have to enter the departure airport. Let's say that I will travel from Netherlands, for example, and here type the arrival airport. I will go to Australia, and here is the departing and returning. I will choose a date of range. You can choose just like this, a date of range. Then here the number of passengers, the adults, the childs, and the infants, and the class of your flight. And you can also use a promotional code. After you finish, click on search flights. It will show you multiple options according to the dates that you have entered, so keep that in mind. Okay, now for sorry, I do not have any flights for these dates right here, but it will show me for other dates. I will go and choose any one of them, then click on continue, and after that it will redirect you to other page. And now you will have to choose the price, so I'll simply click on the price right here, and I will use this one here, for example, the flex, and it will show you all the options that are available down below right here. But for sorry, most of them are sold out, so I'm gonna choose another option. For example, let's say that I will go for this one, and I will pay for the flex. So click on select to redirect you to other page. Just click on continue to passengers, and here you will have to enter your title, your first name, last name, the contact details including your country, region, and mobile number, email address, etc. Then click on continue to options. You just have to fill in all this information till you get to the payment, and you're all done. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.